Hello friends. Today we visited Kalakadu Falls, a beautiful place surrounded by nature. The sound of water itself feels so peaceful. As we reached the falls, the cool breeze touched us. It felt like a fresh start to the day. The water was so clear and refreshing. Kids were super excited to get into the water. Their happiness was just priceless. We all stepped slowly into the stream, and suddenly, all our stress disappeared. Nature has its own magic. The flowing water, the green trees, everything looked perfect. It's not just a place, it's a feeling of peace and happiness. We laughed, we played, and we enjoyed every moment. Time just flew so fast there. Every drop of water felt like a blessing. Moments like these are truly unforgettable. The kids had so much fun splashing water. Their smiles made the day even more special. This is what real happiness looks like. Sometimes we just need a break from busy life and come closer to nature, because nature heals everything. Kalakadu Falls is truly a hidden gem. If you love nature, you must visit this place. We captured these beautiful memories forever, not just in camera, but in our hearts. A day full of joy, laughter and peace. Thank you nature for this beautiful moment. We will definitely come back again. Until then, these memories will stay with us forever, circling stars.